Hello everyone and welcome back. I've been receiving a lot of really good questions from potential investors on the E-mini-FX investing platform. So while I'm not going to go into a complete overview, I just want to answer some of the top questions I'm receiving from people like yourself. And what even is E-mini-FX? So let's start out there. I'm going to jump over to eminifx.com and we're going to take a look at their vision and mission statement page. The vision of the company is to use technology to harness the power of financial instruments through education and automation. Automation is important and education is important. So when you're a member of the club, you'll be invited to training sessions. If you're interested, the professional traders will train you on how to trade, what to look for in the markets, what kind of strategies to use, and all kinds of other features. This training is optional, but recommended if you ever want to start trading for yourself. The automation part we'll get to in a second. So the mission is to empower like-minded investors to network and use our proprietary technology to earn profits consistently with minimal efforts. Our offer is to stay efficient and profitable as you build your wealth and investments in the crypto and forex trading business by signing on with E-mini-FX. Now what we do, our robo-assisted advisor account, which is what they call the RA3, allows for automated trading, freeing up your time for other activities. This company is licensed in the state of New York, and you can find their physical address at the bottom of the page. So one of your options with E-mini-FX is to simply make an investment. When you invest your money in the robo-advisor assisted account, E-mini-FX will pool that money along with other investors' money and trade on it. As you allow the professional traders from E-mini-FX to trade on your money, they pay you out a weekly profit. You can see last week's profit was 9.97%, but you can expect anywhere between 5% and 9.99% per week on your investment. So the trading balance, that's called your capital investment. This is the amount that you have actively trading. On Fridays, when you get your ROI, or your return on investment, that will be paid to your e-wallet. That money is not being traded on, and you have the option to do whatever you want with the money in your e-wallet. Most people choose to reinvest that into their trading balance so that they get paid on a higher balance the following week. They call this compounding your earnings. And as you compound, your capital investment continues to grow exponentially. So with your e-wallet, there's three options you have. You can withdraw this money back out to your BTC wallet and then to your bank. You can choose to reinvest the money into your trading balance. And you can also choose to transfer that money to another individual within the club. So as an example, this week I had a friend sign up, and while they were going through the process of getting their BTC wallets and everything set up, they wanted to get their trading balance active as soon as possible. So what they did was they gave me $500 in cash, and what I did is I went over to the e-wallet and I did a member transfer money. I put their E-mini-FX user ID in here, put in the amount of money I wanted to transfer. There is a 0.75% transfer fee on that, but doing this will send money directly to their e-wallet, and they can choose to buy a package directly from their e-wallet instead of their BTC. Now, once they have their BTC wallet set up outside of E-mini-FX, they can use that wallet to take withdrawals from. So that was just a very quick way to help them get their account funded. Another thing with the e-wallet is if you decide to take a withdrawal, there will be a 0.75% fee on that withdrawal. You go to your e-wallet, withdrawal money, put in an amount. You say, how do you want to be paid? You'll see a 0.75% withdrawal fee in there. You put in the amount you want to withdraw, put in your PIN, and you withdraw money. And I'll show more on what that looks like in a few minutes. So that's one question that's asked a lot. What can I do with that? How can I withdraw? Another question that's asked a lot is, when can I withdraw my trading balance? And can I withdraw my trading balance? So I want you to understand, this is all your money, so you can withdraw any of this at any time. We saw the 0.75% fee to withdraw from the e-wallet. Now, if we wanted to withdraw from the trading balance, we can do that as well. We go to the trading wallet and withdraw money. You can see that I have $12,001 in my trading wallet currently, and I can choose to withdraw money from there if I wanted to. But please note, there's a 15% withdrawal fee for the first 150 days. And there are a few reasons for this 150-day time frame, to which we'll touch on a little bit. But yes, of course, you can withdraw your money at any time. Another thing I wanted to point out is that a lot of people come in with an initial investment of about $500. And that's great. That's a great starting place. But you'll notice last week's weekly return on investment was 9.97%. So if you had $500 in your trading balance, you would have just shy of $50 in your e-wallet. If you wanted to reinvest that $50 in your trading balance, you would have to use the top-up e-wallet feature to bring that e-wallet balance to at least $99. So if we look at the package and reinvest package, the minimum reinvestment amount is $99. So that particular user wouldn't be able to reinvest until maybe the following week when that e-wallet grows to over $99. Now that's one of the reasons this top-up e-wallet feature is in here, because if you had only $50 and you wanted to add another $50 so that you could trade on that $100, you would use the top-up e-wallet feature, put the amount that you want to add to your e-wallet. There is a 1.5% fee here. You'd want to pay with your BTC that's outside of EMiniFX, and then you would submit that. That would move your e-wallet over $99, in which case you could reinvest into that $99 package. So I said that to inform you that I would probably come in with a minimum investment of, say, $1,200. You never know what this return on investment is going to be. It could be as little as 5% and as high as 9.99%. So I'd personally come in with about $1,200 or more if you can. That way, on your weekly profit, you can reinvest that right away without having to wait another week for an additional week's profit. The next thing people ask about is the group volume. Now, this group volume not only includes my personal investment in the club, but it also includes everybody that I told's personal investment in the club and the people they told. Now, this club is set up so that you don't have to ever tell a soul. It's definitely not required. You can come in, make your own investment, and do it completely anonymously and privately. You don't have to tell anybody. It's not mandated. It's completely optional to where you just come in with your own investment and you either compound or you withdraw your weekly returns. I'll show an investor's account in a minute where they don't refer anybody to the club. They simply invest, and so you'll see the difference between my group volume and their group volume. That being said, why would I tell my friends and family about this program? One, because I've realized that it's a quality investment for myself and the returns are phenomenal. I like to stay diversified in my investments, so this is just one of my investments, but it is one that is paying the highest return. So with me telling my friends and family about this club, there's what's called an affiliate bonus attached to that. So I've been doing affiliate advertising for years now. As an example, my wife and I renovate homes, and so some of the products that I use, I'll share with others, so if they decide to buy the product, I'll get a commission. As an example, in one of my later renovations, I was using a Venetian plaster product that I ordered on Amazon. Because I'm an Amazon affiliate, all I have to do is grab the link for that product, and anybody who sees my content and wants to buy that product as well, they use my link, it sends them to Amazon, and when they buy that product through Amazon, Amazon pays me a 10% commission. That's how affiliate advertisement works. Word of mouth is usually the best way to advertise your product. And so I personally have Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and many other affiliate advertising links and accounts out there. So what one of the affiliate referral bonuses in EMiniFX looks like is this. You tell your friends and family to come in. If they make an initial investment between $99 and $499, that pays me a $5 bonus. If they make an initial investment between $500 and $2,500, that makes me a $25 bonus. And on down the line. So if you refer your friends and family to this club, during the week you'll see this e-wallet balance start to grow. What's happening is your friends and family are either making investments or they're reinvesting their money. So those bonuses come into your e-wallet, and those are instant bonuses. So as you're watching this thing grow, you can either wait for a certain amount to hit and then reinvest in your trading balance, or you can do it instantly. When you see a bonus come in, you can just put it right back in your trading balance, assuming your e-wallet is over $99. So let's just jump back to this document quickly and read a little bit more from EMiniFX's compensation plan. So it says deposits. Deposits can be made 24 hours a day, 7 days a week onto EMiniFX's trading platform in the form of cryptocurrency or your BTC. So if you're going to make a deposit into your trading wallet on EMiniFX, you need to have BTC. There are multiple ways to buy Bitcoin. You can use the Cash App, you can use PayPal through Coinbase. So check out my other videos to find out more about how you can purchase BTC. So if you're making a deposit with your e-wallet, meaning you're reinvesting from your e-wallet into your trading balance, that will be in your trading balance within 24 hours. If you're using BTC to fund, that BTC will jump to your trading balance immediately. Withdrawals, and this is regarding your e-wallet. E-wallet payout requests may be made at any time. Please allow 48 hours for the release to be processed by EMiniFX. There is a 0.75% fee imposed here. So at any time, if you have any amount in your e-wallet, you can make a withdrawal. In blue here, this is all outside of EMiniFX, so It says a 0.0004 BTC fee will be charged by CoinPayments.net, our primary crypto processor, plus any applicable blockchain network fees. So those are fees that have nothing to do with E-mini FX. Those are just additional fees before that money gets all the way to your bank account. Here's an important one. The funds will be transferred at current market value at the time the payout is released. So when you get paid out in BTC, let's say you get paid $5,000 in BTC. So because you're getting paid in BTC, and BTC is volatile, meaning it goes up and down, whatever the market Bitcoin value is at the moment you make the withdrawal is what you're going to get. So if BTC is trading at $40,000 when you make the withdrawal, and then 5 hours later it's trading at $45,000, then you've made some additional money. If it's trading at $40,000 when you make the withdrawal and it drops to $38,000, by the time it gets to your bank, you might have lost a little bit of money. So that's what that line means. So here's the next important part. That capital investments account, which was your trading wallet, you can request a withdrawal from that trading wallet at any time using the trading wallet withdrawal module. However, these withdrawals may take up to 14 days to complete versus the e-wallet withdrawals that are usually within a few hours. Another thing to point your attention to is that the trading wallet withdrawals are also subject to the following fees. If you're trying to make a withdrawal from your trading balance within the first 150 days, a 15% withdrawal fee will be imposed. Any investment payout after that 150 days or 150 days onward will not be subject to that 15% fee. One of the reasons they do that is to protect themselves. So remember when somebody came in with their original investment and E-mini FX said, okay, we're going to pay their sponsor $125 for them buying that on down the line. This is another reason that that 15% fee is imposed, is because they could be potentially losing money. So this is to protect the club and its members. Okay, so the next thing I want to point your attention to is the club membership service fees. A monthly maintenance fee will be charged automatically to the trading wallet in order to service and maintain each account on the first of every month. This is for robo-assisted advisor accounts only. Now remember, this fee comes out on the first of every month. So if you're going to sign up on the 28th, 29th, 30th of the month before, I would advise that you wait until the 2nd after that fee comes out. If you sign up at the beginning of the month, you don't have to pay a monthly service fee until the following month. So remember, the first day of every month, that $49.99 monthly service fee will come out of the trading balance. And then finally, the cancellation policy. Members may request a full refund within 14 calendar days of funding their account, minus any processing fees, trading, or affiliate bonuses paid. So if you come in and within the first 2 weeks you decide, it's totally not for me, go ahead and request a full refund, and E-mini FX will honor that and return your initial investment without any questions asked. So I want to take you over to someone else's account real quick. This is an investor that I'm helping out. This investor wants to strategize on the best way to pull out what they call their seed money. I wouldn't call it their seed money. I would call it their initial investment. Seeds grow into plants and trees, and those plants or trees produce fruit or more seeds. So anyway, I'm digressing. So what this investor wants to do is they want to pull out their initial investment as fast as possible, yet grow their trading balance as much as they can. So we've strategized on a 16 to 20 week, 100% return on investment for this particular account. So what they've decided to do on the second week of their investment journey is they decided to take out a $5,546 withdrawal from their e-wallet and compound $5,000 back into their trading balance. So last week on their $105,000 trading wallet balance, they received a 9.97% profit. So from that $10,546 profit, they decided to compound $5,000 and withdraw $5,546. You can also see that they have zero group volume. That means they're telling nobody. This is simply an investment account for them, and everybody has their own strategy. That's totally fine. So I also have a few screenshots here of their Cash App and when their withdrawal came through to their Cash App. We can see here they have $5,534.78 worth of BTC in their Cash App, which correlates to that $5,546 withdrawal. In this screenshot, we can see that they have 0.130114337 BTC, and that particular screenshot came at 8:33 p.m., and it says this amount of BTC was deposited. In this next screenshot, we see the transaction hash. Here we see the timestamp of 8:42 p.m. on 4/8/2022. We can also see the fee of $28.39 for this transaction. So if I go back and look at the screenshot of their dashboard, I can see they made this transaction at 4:30 p.m. and the Cash App screenshots were taken around 8:30 p.m. So it took less than 4 hours to fund their Cash App. I can also note from these screenshots that while there was a close to $30 fee, the difference between the withdrawal on E-mini-FX and the amount of BTC they have in their wallet is about $12. So that means the price of Bitcoin went up slightly since they received it in their Cash App. Okay, so I hope this video helped explain a little bit. As always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I'll be glad to help.